Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes brightness control not working after Windows 11 update. Fix it now. First method is refresh display. Second method is update display adapter driver automatically. Third method is rollback display driver. Fourth method is update Windows. Fifth method is system restore. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.